Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to find your friends in your current city on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on your name. On your profile page, click on your name to view your personal information. Step 4. Click on Friends. From your profile, click on the Friends tab to access your friends list. Step 5. Go to All Current City tab. Within the Friends section, find and click on the All Current City tab. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find your friends in your current city on Facebook using your PC. Stay connected with your friends and explore your local network. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.